Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Avolare phone car holder system here. It's a car mobile phone holder system and it's universal fits in nearly any air vents of your cars. Except I think the Smart 4 does not have the right design to handle this car holding system. So if you have air vents with a flat surface, it will match us because it's a clamp connection. We have here a car holder which is 360-degree rotational and 2-level adjustable clamp system. It's a car cradle mount for your iPhone 13, 12, 10, 8, 7, whatever. And this is also for Samsung devices, HTC, Huawei, and more and more and more. It's the new upgraded version of it. More stable and safer, with the unique, stable, triangular structure design, which consists 2 strong clamping arms and inverted trapezoidal feet. The Avolare car mobile phone holders locks our mobile phone firmly and prevents it from falling or wobbling even on uneven roads. In addition, the Avolare mobile phone holder for cars is, thanks to the 2-stage adjustable design of the air vents for car air outlets of different thickness, and real universal mobile phone holder for nearly any car out there. Super wide arm allows this car mobile phone holder to fit nearly all smartphones and thick cases. It is compatible with the iPhone 13, 12, 8, 10, etc., Samsung Galaxy Note20, S20 Plus, Note 10, S10, LG devices, Sony, Google, Sony, Nokia and GPS devices, and more and more and more. 360 degrees adjustable car mobile phone holder here. This ball joint and the adjustable telescopic arm allows us to adjust our phone to any angle and anywhere, of course, in the near of the outlets. We find the best view for our trip. We can use this car phone holder vertically or horizontally on our air vents. Extremely flexible. It is convenient to navigate and answers awesome calls. We can focus on our ride. The Avolare car phone holder does the rest for us. And never block our vision. This car mobile phone holder, for cars of course, ventilations system, does not affect our line of sight compared to other mobile phone holders used on the dashboard and on the windscreen itself. This Avolare car holder is compact, small, exquisite, and space-saving. So it can be integrated into our car, and we don't have to worry about our phone to drop on the floor while we are driving. It offers us a safe, distraction-free car environment and one-hand operation, as you can see. After an easy installation, we can adjust the clamp arm of the mobile phone holder for the car according to our phone size. We insert our mobile phone and lock our phone 100% firmly by pressing the arms together. We release our phones by pressing the unlock button on the backside. Wow, that's easy and that's convenient, and this is smart. It's really smart. The same with Avolare. It's a car holder. This is compact, excellent, and space-saving, so it can be integrated into our car immediately and easy. We don't have to worry about anything. We have to focus on driving. Driving is good. Dropping the phone is not good. So here, the phone holding system will attach our phone firmly. What's Avolare? They have been engaged in the sales of car phone holders since 2015. They hope every customer can enjoy the scenery of that journey. Any good car phone mounts needs do a few things. Attaching security to our car, offering an easy way to position our phone, holding the phone tightly and securely. We attach and remove the phone easily, fitting and supporting any size of phones. That's right, everything check. And Avolare tested each mount with 4 inches and 4.7 inches and 6.5 inches phones. The engineers driving on different roads and observing the stability, the fit, and the general usability for every combination. That's good, because it's not so expensive. That's a good thing too. One button release, 360 rotation, broad compatibility, and super strong clamp. That's all in easy. And of course, reserve charging port is available. Easy to access to our phone charging port for fuse-free charging on the road. Our phone will be fully charged while we are driving, and if we arrived at the destination, it will be recharged. Because there is a space to use our cable, and it can be attached to our smartphone while it is attached. Avolare phone car holder. It's a mobile phone holder, universal fit and universal for air vents out there. It's a car holder system with 360 degrees rotation and 2 level adjustable car cradle. It's possible to join it and nearly entire all cars out there on the market. And of course, it is compatible with the most smartphones out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.